Okay, good afternoon, everyone. I received some question from my student, and I was thinking, let me just do a little video and post it here so that we can all see how this question is solved. So this question is coming from the topic heat energy, and under heat energy we discuss heat measurement, and we saw the relationship between different scales, the Kelvin, the Celsius, and the Fahrenheit scale. So in this particular question, sounds technical, but we can actually approach it this way. So the question says the upper fixed points of a certain thermometer are marked 110, that is 110 degrees Celsius, and minus, that is the lower fixed point, is minus 10 degrees Celsius respectively. So then I'll say what temperature on a centigrade thermometer will be 4 times that on this thermometer. And we said, okay, for us to begin solving, we say that let the unknown temperature, let that temperature be what? Let the temperature be, let's say y, it can be anything. Say y. So if you say let the temperature be y, so on a diagram, let's say we have a diagram of a scale of a centigrade scale like this. And from the question, we were told that the upper fixed point is 110. That means on this place we have 110 degrees Celsius, and on the lower fixed point we have minus 10 degrees Celsius. So you now say at what temperature? At what temperature? So the unknown temperature we are looking for, which is y, is y. So the question now said will be 4 times. So if we have y, then if we are going to have 4 times y, that means we have 4y on this scale, and this on the normal centigrade scale here is usually 0, that is the lower fixed point of the scale, and here is usually 100 degrees Celsius. So now, having this, we can proceed to find the solution to this question. And using our relationship, we have C minus 0, that is the lower fixed point, all over 100 minus 0, which is also the lower fixed point of the temperature. So if you look at this is the formula you're going to use. Usually we have something like this equals to F minus 32. It's 32 divided by all over 2 and 2 minus 32 equal to K minus 273 all over 373 minus 273. So now in this case, this is what we have. In this case, we are going to make use of this particular relation here because we are dealing with Celsius. The two of these scales given here, they are actually under Celsius. So we are dealing with Celsius. So in this case now, we are going to make use of it. So if we pick C minus 0 all over 100 minus 0. So now from the question, we were told that the upper fixed point of this particular scale is 110. That means in the place of this 100, we have, and our C is what? Is y minus the lower fixed point in this particular scale is not longer 0, it is minus 10 degrees Celsius. So we have minus 10 degrees Celsius all over the upper fixed point. In a normal thermometer is actually 100, but in this question by giving it is stated clearly that the upper fixed point of a certain thermometer is marked 110 degrees Celsius. So we have 110 degrees Celsius minus this this is having a minus here, so we have minus minus, this will be in the bracket, minus minus 10, also here minus minus 10 degrees Celsius is equal to, and this scale here we have 4y minus 0, which is the lower fixed point, all over 100 minus 0. So when we have this, we know that mathematically minus times minus gives us what? Plus. So we have positive 10 all over. Now here we have positive positive, Therefore, our answer will be plus. So we have 120 equal to 4y all over 100. So, having this, we can go ahead and continue with the solution. Mathematically, we know that when we have something like this, having an equality sign in between, we can simply cross multiply this. So when we cross multiply, this go with this. So we have 4y bracket 120, you close the bracket, equals 100, open bracket, y plus 10, you close the bracket. So when you have something like this, you can go ahead, you can see it's being simplified. You can go ahead and expand the bracket. So expanding the bracket, we have this multiplied by this, we have 480 y equals this go with this, we have 100 y plus this times this, we have 1000. And so if we have something like this, we have two like terms, we can go ahead and collect like terms in this situation. Therefore we have 1000 equal to 4a y minus 100 y. So when you do that, you have this, you minus this, we have 1000. With this, we have 380. If you minus 100 from this, you have 380y. And to make your y standing alone as the subject formula, what do? We divide both sides by what? 380. And this go with this. We are what? Left with y equal to 1000 over 380. And so when you press your calculator, if you press your calculator, you have your y will be 2.63 degrees Celsius. Now recall that we said if the temperature on the centigrade thermometer will be 4 times that's on this thermometer, and we said let the temperature be y. Now we have gotten the value of y, and we say it is now 4 times. That means we are going to multiply 4y. That means we have 4 times 2.63, and that will give us 10.53 degrees Celsius. So 4y is equal to this, and that will be our final answer. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.